Jakarta City began from the small port in the north of Ciliwung River, which is called Sunda Kelapa or the land plant coconut trees. The port was under control by Pajajaran Kingdom at 12th century. It was the famous port and had been known by foreign traders such as Arabian, China, Spain, even Europe.
On 30 May 1619, this port was consecrated by Dutch VOC and changed the name to be Batavia, announced officially by the first general government Jan Pieter Zonko. The name of Batavia derived from Bataviar, the name of the origin ancestor of Dutch. The name firstly introduced without expressly by Van Rudy, one of the Dutch soldiers, and it was agreeable by VOC.
On 10 December 1942, Batavia was changed to be Jakarta, Japanese which sometimes called Jakarta, the name of one of the Fort Batavia bastion. And next on August 1945, Jakarta officially used by government of Indonesia as a capital of the national Jakarta, also divided to be 5 manipolites, which is headed by the city mayor. There are East Jakarta, West Jakarta, South Jakarta, and North Jakarta.
Jakarta City has 6 functions as well as 1. Jakarta as capital city of the Republic of Indonesia. 2. Jakarta as the center of government activities. 3. Jakarta as the proclamation city. 4. Jakarta as the center of international business. 5. Jakarta as the center of industry. And the last one, Jakarta is the center of art and culture.
Since 1975, Jakarta City has changed to be the metropolitan city with modern facilities and high buildings at the central of International Business Center. Because the population in Jakarta 12 million people, so there are always traffic jam all the time. Therefore, Jakarta, the synonym is Jakarta Never Sleep City.
Jakarta, officially the special capital region of Jakarta, is the capital and most populous city of the Republic of Indonesia. Established in 4th century, the city became an important trading port for the Kingdom of Sunda.
It was the de facto capital of the Dutch East Indies, known as Batavia at the time. Today, the city has continued as the capital of Indonesia since the country independence was declared in 1945. The city is currently the seat of the ASEAN Secretariat as well as important financial institutions such as the Bank of Indonesia, the Indonesia Stock Exchange, and the corporate headquarters of numerous Indonesian companies and multinational corporations.
Jakarta business opportunities, as well as its potential to offer a higher standard of living, attract migrants from all over Indonesia, making the city a melting pot of many communities and cultures. Jakarta is nicknamed the Big Durian, the thorny, strongly adored fruit native to the region, as the city is seen as the Indonesian equivalent of New York City or the Big Apple.
In the colonial era, the city was also known as Koningin van het Oosten, Queen of the Orient, in Italy in the 17th century for the urban beauty of downtown Batavia canals, mansion and ordered city layout.
After expanding to the south in the 19th century, this nickname came to be more associated with the suburbs, e.g. Menteng and the area around Merdeka Square, with their wide lanes, many green spaces and villages.